everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Now today is going to be another hair video. Last time y'all saw me was about a week ago, and I did my natural hair wash day, and I had those 4 dookie braids in my hair. Okay, so I took those braids out, and right now I just put my hair up in a bun. I'm about to have my sister do a Crochet Passion Twist on my hair. So I'm about to go to my mom's house. And excuse my t-shirt, I'm looking at it on this camera. It is so wrinkled. We're about to all go get our nails done. We always get our nails done together. And then we're going to the furniture store to get my mom a table for her living room. And then we'll come back to my mom's house and do my hair. So I'm just putting everything together. And I put all the information as to where I got the hair if you guys like the hair and want to buy it too. Of course it's from Amazon, but I'll put the link down below and everything like that. So I'm gonna, actually no, maybe I'll come back when I get to my mom's house so y'all can meet my sister and my mom. I already met Bricey. It took me like 2 seconds to get to my mom's house. She literally lives like a mile from me. Okay, now, yeah, I'll be back in a minute. So I am at my mom's house. Hey, hi Robin. And Bryce is with mommy. Let me find him. Well, my mom look crazy, but why the lights is off? My YouTube. Why the lights is off? Come here, Bryce. Say hi. Look. Say hola, Bryce. So, we just finished getting our nails done. We went to get my mom's table. Now I'm back at my mom's house. And Robin's about to do my hair. So, we are going to have y'all watch that. And I gotta set up my camera. I don't know if this is too low, too high, whatever. So just give me a minute. So I just took my hair out of my ponytail or whatever. So my sister's gonna do my passion twist, the crochet. Now, like I said, I got it from Amazon, of course. And I wanna show y'all what they look like. So they're like really nice, actually. Look at it. And I got 22 inches. And they're the pre-twisted ones. And then I've also bought this. It's like decoration for your hair. And then some strings. We're gonna try to figure out how we can put that in there. But yeah, so we're about to start now. Okay guys, so on Rebecca, I'm gonna do the BEAUTYCANBRAID Method, the zigzag part for the crochet, so that when she pulls it back into a ponytail, it doesn't look like it's just crochet with the lines. We don't want it to look like that. We want it to look like it's natural and that she can put it in a ponytail. All right? And for the hair, I want to say also that they come packaged individually, and I think there's 15 in here, and it's 15 singles, and then there's 6 packs of hair. So hopefully that's gonna be enough because I got a big head. And to moisturize my hair, I'm gonna use the Miele Avocado Moisture Hair Milk. I really like this product. Shout out to my other coworker Trina. That's why I said if you're going natural, ask other naturals what they use. She told me about Miele. I hope I said that right. Their hair products, and I really love this moisturizer for my hair. We got a comb and stuff. And we got our crochet needle, and everything is here. So again, instead of doing the straight back parts, she's gonna do them zigzag, so they look nice. But my hair is dry, so she gotta moisturize it first. So in regards to the Miele moisturizing hair milk, I just wanted to say that it really wasn't a good idea for my sister to put that on my hair before she braided it. Because it's a hair milk, it has kind of like a water base, I guess, and anything that has like a water base for my hair, it makes my hair start to curl up and shrink, and as you can see, that's literally happening. So it made it a little hard for her to detangle my hair and braid it. I mean, we got through it, but next time I know that's not the product to use. I should probably just use a regular, grease for my hair. I want you to see the braid. You are mad annoying. When you want your hair done, that's how you gotta sit. So if you can walk around with your hair like this and put it in the little nappy bun that you wear, or it's either sit like this and get your hair done and shut up. Which one you want to do? Wow. care if you want to make spaghetti or not.
Why did he throw all the candy behind Robin's back?
I don't know. Behind her back?
Mm-hmm.
And he's on your camera doing that, Rebecca. Make sure you put when your beautician got a kid in your video. Can you get off from behind me, please? Give me some kids. I want to show the people what I'm doing, you jerk. So show them what you're doing. Now I gotta do the other side. You gotta lay your head down again. Oh, you wanted to show this side? Yeah, because I did the side. Will you get off me? Just show them the side.
These people are gonna say these people. They're gonna be cracking.
Bow down and worship you. Worship you. I hope you're not making crazy faces because that's gonna be. I am, and I'm not even paying attention about that. This is gonna be in the video. They were like, "Why should they have the stroke?" Okay, so my hair is finally done. My sister just kind of did my edges a little bit. This is how it looks. And it is 22 inches. You can't really see it, but very long. And these are my little accessories for my hair. You want to show very natural. So it looks like kind of like singles, which is why she did zigzag parts. Because if you do the straight backs, it looks mad uniform. Alright, so we gotta figure out how to put these in there. Okay. I definitely like these are so cute because
these are cute too, but you see my thing bent in the nail salon?
It has like charms and stuff. I'm not gonna do that one though. But they have. I love this one. It's a cross. So I'm definitely putting that one in my hair. And then I like the leaf. And then they have this one. It's a feather. Moving?
It's so stiff, so it's like when you move around, it's just like sitting there.
Yeah, look.
Okay, so that's what I'm gonna put.
You know when you're gonna place it out, you just want me to randomly just place it.
Randomly put it out. I'm just gonna take this and open it just a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. Just open it a little bit, and then I'm just gonna hook it on to like a random piece of hair, like that. And then just close it back, squeeze it, and close it back up. It's open right there, and then I'm just gonna squeeze it to close it, and then I got the little hair jewelry. I also have this, and I really want to put this on my hair, like stringy shit. Was this pre-cut, Robin, or you had to cut it?
No, I had to cut it. It's like a big long string.
When I put it up in the bun, it'll probably be like these two. Probably like these two down. Maybe. Because this one's like in the middle, so yeah, so I'm gonna get these two down.
Yeah, make sure some cute on those two. I'll probably just leave, just do the kind of the very
Two sides and then leave the middle.
yeah, kind of or something. 'Cause, you know, I don't want you to have like a doofy looking bun on the top. Secure it. Does that bun look stupid sitting right there?
Well, I'll fix it over because I got a
But I mean, don't you need your picture for like the end result for your thumbnail?
Oh yeah, but remember I'm not doing it. I'll probably do it for Monday when I get my eyebrows and shit on.
Oh. I gotta close my teeth.
Who was our cosmetology teacher? She would have really got on me for that. I guess that's cute. Alright. So that concludes our video. My sister finally made her appearance. She was on schedule today.
I know after she
came to work.
I wasn't here to trim her ends.
So this is the end result. I hope you guys like it. Excuse all the faces I was making. Clearly I'm extremely tender-headed, and I didn't know.
Because I was not that rough.
But this is how it looks, and it looks good. Hope you guys enjoy, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.